Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks Part 2. When I was finishing up that video, I noticed a flaw, and I thought I'd show you it's an easy fix, but I'm going to do different colors this time. So if you have the black item in front of the green item, I'm going to make it green this time instead of white. I'm going to select them both. I'm going to go apply. Now this is our copy, and if you look, and if I make it green, or really another color, but what I noticed in the last video, I had a white line around my wordage because it was the white line of the outline. So all you have to do is make that outline green and that white line will go away. Or you can make it a black outline and make it kind of stand out a little bit more if you wanted, and change the, if you go to, now you have it selected, go to, convert it to a curve, and then you get where you can change the thickness of it, and you can make the outline quite a bit more. I don't like that. I like it not really with anything. Kind of makes it, well, maybe you need a little bit, but you could still change the color of the fill and make it look like that. And that's where the mistake was a while ago. I could see a white line right as I was finishing the video, and I couldn't quite figure it out. Well, that's the white line from the original. So if we want to take that away, we can just make it a blue line. And once again, if you take your black box, I used to do so many videos with the yellow box trick, and lately it just shows it all, especially in this case. It looks like it's coming out of the depth of the black because it's basically a blended shadow with the black just kind of going off into Neverland. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.